thing. I did a thing. Let me show you what I did. 1, 2. So if you like a huge fabric haul, a massive fabric haul, keep watching because it's coming up next. Okay, so before I jump into the fabric, let me give you the lowdown on where I got this fabric from. As I've said before in previous videos, I currently live in Atlanta. That's where I'm from. And in Atlanta, we have a lot of Joann's, Hobby Lobby, Michael's, but we have a few like warehouse fabric stores. We don't have like a garment district or anything like that. We don't have like a whole block of fabric stores, which sucks. Which is why I want to go to LA and New York to go fabric shopping. But we have a few places. So it's this place called Fabric World. Fabric World is what I call like the Goodwill of fabrics, because no, the fabrics aren't used, but they are discounted, and most times they're remnants. So as of late, they've been doing this sale where it's like buy 3 fabric pieces, get 1 for free. And with their fabric pieces, they're $3 for each piece. Like I said, it's remnants. So that means the piece could be less than a yard or it could be 5 yards. It just depends on what you get. So I've gotten like maybe like a half yard, the smallest what is it called? I just said it. Remnant piece. And the largest remnant piece I got is like 3.5 yards. So it really just depends. So let me show you what I got. I've been thinking about fall time. I got a whole lot of summer fabrics and I haven't sold nearly as much as I wanted to, you guys. I've just been in a funk and I can't get my sojo back. So I'm hoping with this fabric haul, I'll be able to actually get into the groove of fall sewing, because fall is my favorite season. And yeah, it's August and I want to get started sewing for fall for the first time ever. So when October hits, I'm not like sewing like crazy trying to sew for fall when fall is here. So for August and September, the next 60 days, I am planning on sewing nothing but fall stuff. So when October 1st hits, I can like pull it out and wear it. So let's see how it goes. So let's get started with the first bag. I'm gonna go pretty fast so this video isn't too long. That's a lie. Okay, so we have Fabric World tends to have a lot of these remnants. It's like a satin. Might be, no, this is a satin. And it's a pretty mint color. We also have this beautiful Barbie hot pink. Now keep in mind, I'm not a pink girl, but when I saw this, I was like, yeah, I could definitely do something with this. See, if you have any ideas for this type of fabric, let me know, because I have a hard time trying to figure out what to make with it, because I feel like it has to be drapey. And I'm not like a slip dress type of girl or slip skirt type of girl. So I'm just, if you have any ideas for patterns or, you know, just styles, let me know, because I'm just like, I tend to keep this in my stash because I don't know what to do with it just yet. But I love how it looks. Okay, also we have, get ready, put your sunglasses on, this lime green. And this is actually swimsuit material. So I plan to do something with this. It might be saved for the summer, might not, depending on if I want. I don't know if I would do something for fall, winter with this. But I'm not like a color season type of person, like, oh, you have to wear only these colors for this season. So I don't know, but it would definitely have to be something form-fitting. So we'll have to see, but it's beautiful. And this is super long, so I would say this is like 3 yards minimum, you know. Also, we have this fabric. So keep in mind, I have this fabric from Joann's as well, but it's a different colorway. I have the mauve, like a lot of people have. It came out last year. And I also have like the hunter green one. So I thought, why not get this one? Because I could definitely see this as like a dope turtleneck in the fall. Maybe with some pants if I could really fit it in. I don't know. It's not looking like it might be enough fabric, but I could definitely see turtleneck and pants if I could get all of the pattern pieces on this piece of fabric. All right, so we have this beautiful orange, and I'm not an orange lover, so it was shocking that I got this, but I saw this and I thought of fall time, and I was like, yeah, like I passed it. I was like, I don't need it because I have this fabric already in purple, light purple and dark purple from the same store. For some reason they have a lot of this remnant, but I saw the orange. I'm like, I'm just thinking fall time. I'm thinking Halloween vibes. But then again, this is also a fabric. I'm like, what do I do with it? Do I do pants? Do I do a suit? Do I, like, it's not much. It's no stretch, really. Not enough stretch to do anything. So it's like, it's got to be something structured. But what? All right. We also have this cream. So I have this fabric in a good, like, 4 different colors now. So same fabric, different color. Thought of my grandma when I seen it in a good way. Like, yeah, it looks like a fabric that our grandma probably had as a suit, a church suit. But if I could make this into a dope modern day suit situation or dress situation, I mean, yeah, it would be beautiful. It's just beautiful. We have this beautiful mustard. See how it looks close to my skin? I'm trying not to get too close to these fabrics, because when you're doing the discount fabrics, I start itching. It's not dirty, but they are, like, you gotta dig. It gives off thrift store vibes. It's not used, but it gives off thrift store vibes. So I wash all of these, even if they look delicate and they look like they were $3. So if they get ruined, they gotta get washed though in the washer, like ASAP. So this is this beautiful mustard, and I liked it because it's not see-through at all. Like, no, I wouldn't do something form-fitting, but if I made like a pretty cardigan, like I'm talking about floor length cardigan, yeah, that's probably what I'm going to do with that. And that's definitely 3 yards for sure. So let's see if I can get the last out of this bag. And then we have this pretty denim. So I don't have too much denim in my stash, but this denim stood out to me. And it was a large remnant piece. Like, this is probably over 3 yards, honestly. And it just has a really pretty fade to it. So I instantly thought of Mimi G's bell-bottom pants, because I made those pants before in a corduroy. And I was like, yeah, this would be pretty as like some flared jean situation. So we're on bag 2. Let me rip this bag open. So some of these fabrics are duplicates because I wanted to have enough to make sets, because I'm just like, for fall, winter, I'm trying to get on my suit game. So I want a lot of 2-piece suit situation, 2-piece pants, cardigan situations. So I got the cream again, just to make sure I have enough to do whatever I want with it, and I'm not like limited because I made that mistake of buying the small remnants and then being like, I like the fabric, but I can't figure out what to make because it's just not enough. All right, also we have, I'm still iffy on this because yeah, velvet is still my favorite fabric, but now that I've started using commercial patterns, I'm stuck. It's like when I could just self-draft stuff, which I'll start back, but when I could self-draft stuff and I had my pre-baby body, I was not as limited. Now I gotta consider, like, velvet is mainly for stretchy tight things. I'm like, what will I make of it? I don't know. Maybe I can make like a maxi skirt situation. It'll be heavy, but it'll be for fall. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I used to make velvet everything. I had like velvet matching pants, shirt, velvet dresses, velvet gowns. Like, velvet was my favorite fabric. Now I haven't used it because it's just like everything I was making that was velvet was form-fitting. Okay, also we have this. It looks like a beautiful chiffon and it's a pretty mauve color. And I instantly thought duster for sure. And it has like iridescent vibes. Like, that's so beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. And it's a super long piece. So I was like, yeah, for sure. Yeah, for sure. Duster, for sure. Okay. I'm sure you guys are sick of this fabric. We have the infamous floral fabric. It gives vintage vibes. That's why I like it so much. So it's in a beautiful wine. And I instantly thought this is perfect for fall. Might make this into a suit if I could fit it, blazer and pants with like some type of corset top situation. Yeah, that'll be pretty. All right. And I'm giving lime green vibes, you guys. This is like my third lime green fabric. But here we go. So we have the satin, lime green satin. So I have lime green bathing suit fabric, velvet, and this fabric. So I guess I'll be wearing lime green this fall, winter. Doesn't have to be a spring, summer color. We also have this beautiful blue. Look at it and look at the texture. So I could definitely see this as a maxi skirt. Like, for sure. Like, when I say maxi skirt, like flare it out, dramatic, like the skirts that I love to wear anyway. Like, I might just free draft it based off one of the skirts I already have. Waist cinch with a belt. Some type of sleeveless shirt. Yeah, and you gotta fit. It's pretty. So pretty. Look at that. It'll be so pretty. Like, in the sunlight. Okay. All right, we're almost to the end, you guys. So I got more of this mustard fabric because I just wanted to make sure I had enough to make like a dramatic duster situation. So beautiful mustard. I'm so ready for fall, you guys. I am so freaking ready. Okay, and last fabric is, you guessed it, the same as that fabric, different colorway. Yeah. So I have enough to do a whole war. I could do a whole collection. I might do that. I could do a whole collection with this fabric in different colorways. Because I have the lilac, the dark purple, the wine, the orange, the cream, and the pink. That might be an option, you guys. I might have to put that on my to-do list. It might take me forever to do it, but it'll get done. It'll get done one day. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this huge fabric haul. I went pretty fast because I didn't want the video to be too long, but hopefully the next time I come on here, I'll bring out some patterns and see if we can match those patterns to some of the fabrics. I gotta switch out my summer fabrics because I didn't get to them. I'm just looking at them now. I'm looking at my strawberry print. I had a print with like girls wearing bikinis and flowers, and it's August, y'all. It's no point in sewing it. I might as well just shift to fall. So like, comment, and subscribe. Share. Comment what you want me to do next, what type of videos you want to see with sewing. So all right, I will see you soon.